Hello, welcome to this short video on the iOS distribution processes in the Apple developer program. So if you want to develop and distribute the iOS apps into Apple App Store or by some other means, for example, in case of private distribution, if you want to make the app available to only the limited users, then you can learn how to distribute your app through this video. We'll explore different ways to distribute iOS apps, like from public distribution to private and the internal methods. First of all, the App Store distribution. So its App Store distribution is similar to the Play Store. I mean, the Google Play Store uh, kind of distribution. Here, the App Store distribution is the most common method used by developers to make their apps available to the public users. Once the app is submitted through the App Store Connect, it goes through Apple's review process to ensure that it meets their guidelines. Once approved, it is available to the users or millions of users globally. This method requires membership program in the Apple Developer Program. Like the membership program costs $99 per year. That is for every year, one not a one-time fee. So this is for App Store distribution. Another method is like the ad hoc distribution, which is ideal for limited testing. Like if you are a company or organizations, then you want before releasing the app to your employees or to the public users, you can use this distribution method called the ad hoc distribution to distribute the app to your testers, only the specific testers or only the specific users for the purpose of testing. This method allows developers to distribute their app up to 100 devices for testing without publishing it on the App Store. Devices must be registered in the developer account using their UDID. So it's a great way to test apps with a small or controlled audience. Next, we have enterprise distribution. This is for internal distribution within the organizations. Suppose you want to distribute apps internally, bypassing the App Store entirely. Like with this method, there is no need for Apple's review process. So you can directly develop the app, create its app metadata, create the IPA file, and then just directly upload into your mobile device management software or the system, and then directly push the app into the testers or employees' devices. So there is no need for the review process. However, it is restricted to large organizations only, and it is intended for use by employees within that organization. This requires a membership in the Apple Developer Enterprise Program. So this is enterprise distribution, I mean the enterprise program, and the fees or the membership fees for this method is a bit higher than that App Store distribution method. After that, we have TestFlight distribution, which is TestFlight is Apple's solution for beta testing. Before releasing the app to the App Store for public users, you can test it. You can suppose your audience is large and you want to make it like uh, uh, the app without any issues, then you can hire testers, lots of testers, and then invite up to 10,000 testers to try out your app before it's released publicly. Testers can be invited through email or public link, and feedback can be gathered directly on the TestFlight app. It's an essential tool for ironing out issues before going live. Custom app distribution. Custom app distribution allows developers to deliver apps privately to specific organizations or businesses through the Apple Business Manager or the App Store. So this is something new in Apple, the custom app distribution. Like you want to distribute apps to the limited users and but using Apple's platform. It's ideal for apps that serve specific client needs without being available to the general public, which requires a custom app agreement between the developer and the organizations. Custom app allows developers to build apps which is that are tailored to specific customers or organizations, offering features, branding, and custom functionality. So with custom app distribution, the apps are privately distributed via Apple Business Manager or App Store or Apple School Manager rather than the public App Store, making the app only visible to authorized organizations. But still, like in this case, Apple will review your app, but you can use Apple's infrastructure such as App Store Connect for submission and TestFlight for beta testing, while Business Manager manages app licenses and deployment via mobile device management. So this is the custom apps provide private distribution, getting app review benefits from Apple and App Store Connect tools for analytics, payment, and updates. So the custom app distributions offers flexibility and control over who accesses specific apps, ensuring they meet the unique requirement of business and education institutions. Another method we have is developer ID distribution. So developer ID, although primarily for Mac OS applications, developer ID distribution ensures that apps can be distributed outside the Mac App Store while still maintaining Apple's verification standards. By signing the app with a developer ID certificate, users can download the app confidently, knowing it's from a trusted source. So basically, developer ID distribution is for only Mac OS applications. It is kind of custom app distribution for iOS apps. So it still going through the Apple's verification processes. So these are all about the different app distribution methods in Apple. So in conclusion, we can say the distribution or iOS distribution offers several flexible methods to suit different needs from public releases to private testing and internal distribution. So by choosing appropriate methods, developers and organizations can ensure efficient app deployment. Thank you for joining this short video today. If you have any questions, any queries, any confusions, please ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you.